So, dear students, we have already completed exercise 2.1 thoroughly, and now today that was based on addition and subtraction. And today we are covering the topic multiplication and division from this chapter. That is exercise number 2. Okay. So, in this
Being
one, now exercise 2.2. Now, the first question which is there in exercise 2.2 is which of the following drawings A to D show? So, before I begin this, I will first show you this one how to do the multiplication in the form of picture. In the form of picture. Suppose I give you this figure. This figure is like the whole figure is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay? 5 equal parts, and into that two parts are shaded. If two parts are shaded, it means this is 2 by 5. Okay? And if it is written only once, so we can also write this 2 upon 5 into 1 or 1 into 2 upon 5. Okay? Which will give us 2 by 5 only. But this same thing, if I write it twice, like this same box, if I draw it once more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'll cover it the same thing again. Now you can see I have written 2 upon 5 two times. Okay? The pictorial representation is written twice. So this means it's 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 both. And suppose I tell you that what is the total of it. So either you write it down 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5, that is also fine. And you are knowing that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So you can write it down 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 also, or you can also mention 2 into 2 upon 5. And if you do the same thing 3 times, then it will become 3 into 2 upon 5. Same thing if you do it 4 times, then it will become 4 into 2 into 2 upon 5. So this, always remember the pictorial representation for multiplication is nothing but just a repeated addition, or you can call it normal multiplication. Okay, so let's see the question number first, which is
ma'am, you are
there
doing
in this exercise.
2.2.
Yes, students, if you will see question number 1, it is written 2 into 1 by 5. It means you have to search from the picture that which is pictorial representation of 1 by 5. So if you will see the first one, it is written 2 by 3. Then if you will see the second picture, it is only 1 by 2. The third picture is only 1 by 4. And the last picture is showing 1 by 5 and written two times. It means it is 2 into 1 by 5. The option number D. The same thing, it is written 2 into 1 by 2. And 1 by 2, where we have found it? We found it in option number B. The same thing goes on question number 3. 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is representing by picture number A. Okay, so 2 by 3 will go from that. And then the last one, 3 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is represented in option number C. So all the options are already given. Very easy question is this. And you can also do that. Yes. So students, to question number 1 is already discussed. Question number 2 is similar to that only. Now let us move on to question number 3. And it is just the basic multiplication which is already taught by me in previous classes. Okay. Let's begin that question. Suppose I'll take the example of 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Okay. And suppose I'm taking another question like 13 into 1 by 3. Taking one more question, 15 into 3 by 5. I took it 3 questions from the same question only. Now always remember, beta, multiplication is very easy. Always remember, first of all, you have to check that whether both the numbers have denominator or not. If both the numbers are not having denominator, for your convenience, you can add 1 for making it the full denominator wise question. Okay? If you want, if you don't want, you can do it directly also. Okay? Don't worry about it. You can also do it without putting 1. Now let's see. After giving 1, always remember to cross check. Cross check, remember how to do cross check. Cross check ka matlab hota hai, beta, you have to check this number and this number is coming in the same table or not. If not coming, leave this. 3 and 1 coming in table of only 1, so cut भी करोगे तो वही आएगा, so don't no need to do that. Then you have to check it like this also, that 3 and 5 are cutting or not. If not cutting, leave it. 7 and 1 not cutting, leave it. ठीक है, इसको चेक करने के बाद if you will see that nothing is cutting, ठीक है, nothing is cutting, nothing is divisible by same table, so then you have to just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. For example, 7 multiplied by 3, which will give us 21. 5 multiplied by 1, which will give us only 5. So the answer will be 21 upon 5. And remember, 21 upon 5 is the number which is written in improper fraction. So if it is in improper fraction, you can also write it down in the mixed one. So mixed one में क्या हो जाएगा बेटा 5 and यहाँ पे 4 and this one will be 1. 4 whole 1 by 5 will be the answer for this particular question. I hope it is clearly understood. Now move on to the second question. You can see nothing will cut in this second question also. Nothing will cut. So just simply you need to multiply. 13 ones are 13. 1 threes are 3. So the answer for this particular question will be 13 by 3. If you want to convert into mixed, it will give you 3 fours are 12 and carry here. Sorry, here it will be 1 by 3. 4 whole 1 by 3 will be the answer for this particular question. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question which I have given here. Here, if you will see, I will not do this question by putting 1. ठीक है, इसको डायरेक्ट बताते हैं. Now see this. You will check it. 3 and 5 not cutting. 15 के नीचे कुछ है नहीं जो कट होगा. 3 के नीचे यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो you cannot cut. Now 5 and 15 you will see in cross checking. Now 5 की table में you know that 15 comes. It will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Now everything got cancelled. Now you have only 3 and 3 left. So 3 multiplied by 3, which will give us only 9. So the correct answer will be 9 over here. Okay. So students, just now we have completed question number 3. Now let us move on question number 4. Now here the question is shade. Now the question is the shading part you have to do. Now first question is 1 upon 2 of circle in box A. Okay, box A. So first of all, just see the figure. This is figure based question beta. And if you have figure based question, you can leave it also. And if it's your choice, if you want to do it in your fair copy, it's totally your choice to do it. And if you don't want to do this question in your fair copy, you can leave it also. Okay, you can directly do it in book only. Question number 4, I'm telling you second one. Okay, I'm telling you second one. It is telling 2 upon 3 of the triangles in the box B. So सबसे पहले it is written 2 upon 3 of the triangles. Okay, it is written 2 upon 3 of triangles. Now you are knowing in box B, of means multiply. Now how many triangles are there in box B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 9 triangles in box B. So just you need to solve it now. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now it got cancelled. Now there is nothing in denominator except 1. So 1 will give you the same number only. So we are leaving 1. 2 into 3, which will give us 6. So the answer will be 6 triangles in box B. Okay, this is a very simple question. If you will do it, this question is very simple. And beta, this kind of question is exactly like question number 5 also. Question number 5 is also this only. There is written, you have to find. I will tell you question number 5 also. It is telling you have to find. The first one, A, is telling 1 upon 2 of, the first one is written 24 and the second one is written 46. Okay, so it means you have to find it out 1 upon 2 of 24 also and 1 upon 2 of 46 also. So the question will be done in the similar way like we have done it question number 4. 1 upon 2 will remain 1 upon 2. Of means multiply. 24 is question number 1. So we will do it question number 1 heading. Question number 1, 1 upon 2 of 24. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24 and 12 ones are 12. You will get it 12 only. Now the same way we will do it question number 2 as well. But this time in place of 24, the number will become 46. Now again 2 ones are 2 and here it will go 23 times and the answer will become 23 only. Yes, 23. Yes. So just now we have completed question number 5. Now question number 6 let us do. Question number 6 is again the multiplication only beta, but here we have the mixed fractions. Okay. So let us take two questions over here. I am taking suppose 4 into 6 whole 1 by 3. This is question number, sorry, this is question number D. 4 multiplied by 6 whole 1 by 3. Now I am taking one more question, that is question number E. This is 3 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 6. Okay, the same kind of questions I took it. Now if you will be knowing the question which you have taken beta, it's nothing, just we have mixed fractions. So let us solve first mixed fraction to an improper fraction. 4 multiplied by 6 3s are 18, 18 1 19. It will give you 19 by 3. I have written it now. The same question I'm doing it E question also together. 3 4s are 12, 12 1 13. It will give you 13 by 4 multiply by 6. Now this question has become the question which we have already done it. Okay, just need to multiply. 4 and 3 will not cancel, 19 and 3 will not cancel, 4 के नीचे कुछ है ही नहीं. So just you need to multiply. So 4 into 19 will give you 76 upon 3. Now remember beta, the question was in mixed, so you need to compulsorily convert into mixed over here. Okay, and same we'll go it like this also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now just you have to solve it. 13 3s are 39 upon 2. Now convert this question into mixed. How will we convert it? यहाँ आएगा 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15 and it will give you 1. 25 whole 1 by 3 for this particular question, the first one which I took it, huh? And in this question it will give you 19 whole 1 by 2. 19 to the 38, 38 plus 1 39, 39 whole 1 by. So dear student, question number 6 is also completed. Now we are on question number 7, which says us to find. This question is just like question number 5. It is telling us in A 1 upon 2 of, the first one is 2 whole 3 by 4 and the second one is 4 whole 2 by 9. ठीक है, what you need to do, सबसे पहले बेटा convert mixed. ठीक है, convert the mixed fraction and make the question simple. 1 upon 2 will be 1 upon 2 of will be of. Now it will give you 2 4s are 8, 8 3 11, 11 by 4. Question number 1. ठीक है. Question number 2 will give you 9 4s are 36, 36 and 2 38, 38 upon 9. So now we have made the question easy, which was in the previous position. Now just you need to solve it. Now first one is 1 upon 2 of means multiply 11 by 4. Okay, and the same thing, question number second of this, 1 upon 2 of means multiply 38 by 9. Now see the first one. The first one beta nothing will cut, not 1 with 2, 11 with 4, 11 with 2, 1 with 4, nothing will cancel. So just you need to multiply. 11 ones are 11, 2 4s are 8. This will be the answer over here. You can convert it into mixed. When you will convert into mixed, it will give you 1 whole 3 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 3 11, 11 upon 8. The correct answer will be 1 whole 3 by 8. Now the below question number 2, it can cancel beta. 2 ones are 2 and 19 2s are 38 because both are even numbers. So we'll cancel by 2. Now what is left beta? Denominator is only 9 and numerator is only 19 left. Other rest of the side it's only 1. So if you will multiply also you will get the same number. So we will just only write it down 19 upon 9 and which you will solve it. It will give you 2 whole 1 by 9. 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 upon 9. Yes, now let's move on to question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. ठीक है, their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. ठीक है, like Vidya और Pratap दोनों के दोनों कहाँ गए? पिकनिक पे गए. Question number 8, sorry, हाँ. And their mother gave them gave them 5 liters of water. ठीक है, total water. Now Vidya consumed 2/5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. ठीक है. Now you are knowing there are two, Vidya and Pratap. Now if you will know that 2/5 part Vidya has consumed. Now you only tell me out of 5 parts, 2 parts were covered by Vidya. Now you only tell me how much part is left for Pratap. Tell me students, what will be there? Yes, very good. It will be 3/5. Very nice. I have got the answers in the chat box. It's 3/5. Now you got this. Now it is telling how much water did Vidya drink. देखो बेटा, अभी हमने केवल fraction निकाला है. It is not the answer in the liters. This is not the answer in liter. So it means you have to find it out the capacity. जितना पानी विद्या ने consume किया है. So it will give you 2/5 of 5 liters. 5 liters. Why? Because the total quantity of water was 5 liter only. Now you are knowing 2/5 will remain same. Of means multiply. 5 will get here only. 5 will get cancel. It will give you 2 liters. तो आप चाहो तो आप प्रताप का आंसर डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो, और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन ऑल्सो. नाउ सी हाउ व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर डिड प्रताप ड्रिंक. प्रताप के बारे में पूछा गया है. वी हैव आल्सो टेकन आउट दिस इज 3/5. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज फिनिश्ड. दिस क्वेश्चन इज, दिस इज ए पार्ट एंड दिस इज बी पार्ट. खत्म. Now in exercise 2.3, question number 1 can be done by you people only. ठीक है, आप खुद से कर सकते हो. You have also told because it's just a similar question. ठीक है. Now let us talk about question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest term. In this question, beta, again the form is very easy. First you need to convert into simple. ठीक है. It is written, suppose अगर improper में है, you will write it down properly. If it is in mixed, पहले आप उसको normal fraction में convert करो and simply multiply. ठीक है. Like we are doing it on in all questions. आप simple multiply कर लोगे बेटा. After doing the multiplication, what answer you will get it? If suppose it is cutting, like numerator and denominator are cutting each other, like in the form of a standard form. आपको पढ़ाया था मैंने standard form या reduced form या lowest term. So if it is cutting, it is coming in the same numbers table, so you will cut it. और अगर नहीं cut हो रहा है, write down the answer in the same way as it has come. ठीक है. Like suppose if I'll take one example, like question number 6 का, question number 2 का 6, 11/2 3/10. 11 से 10 नहीं कैंसिल होगा, 3 से 2 नहीं कैंसिल होगा. आंसर आएगा 33/20. अब 33/20 नथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी कैंसिल. 33 और 20 की कोई सिमिलैरिटी ही नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है. इफ सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है तो दे विल नॉट कैंसिल. ओनली यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बिकॉज 33/20 इज अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. सो दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी सिंपल बेटा. रिमेंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. which one is greater wala I will explain it to you now because we have time. Question number 2, 3. Please tell me question number 2, 3 mein if you have any query. Chalo, let's do it now. Question number 4. The question is telling beta which is greater. So sabse pehle you see the question number 1. I am taking question number 1. It is telling 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8. ठीक है. You are knowing the question is written in the form of, तो पहले तो इसको हम सिंपल करेंगे. ठीक है. और सिंपल कैसे होता है बेटा? सिंपल ऐसे होता है, it's 2/7. 2/7 of means multiply 3/4. ठीक है. Now let us check it whether it will cancel or not. 3 and 7 not, it will not be cancelled. 2 and 4 yes it will be. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. अब solve नहीं होगा. Let us write it. What will you get it? 3 1s are 3, 7 2s are 14. मतलब yes 3/14 आ गया इधर से. अब आगे सॉल्व करते हैं उस तरफ का कॉन्सेप्ट. मल्टीप्लाई लिख लेते हैं बिकॉज सॉरी कॉमा लगा देते हैं बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग द क्वेश्चन और में. ठीक है. So 3/5 will remain 3/5 of means multiply 5/8. 3 and 8 will not get cancelled. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. कैंसिल हो गया. बचा 3/8. yes. अब हमारे पास आ गए केवल दो फ्रैक्शन छोटू मोटू टाइप के. और आपको पता है कि हम सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं कंपैरिजन। कंपैरिजन हमेशा किया जाता है टू प्रोसेस से, ईदर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई और एलसीएम। ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ पे बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है, तो हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में करके क्वेश्चन को खत्म करते हैं। ठीक है, so 3 and 8 will get multiply, which will give us 3 into 8. 14 and 3 will get multiply, so 3 into 14, which will give us 42, and यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 24. 24, you can see also 24 is greater, and if 24 is greater, it means 3 upon 8 is greater, and if 3 upon 8 is greater, it means this is greater. ठीक है, what is greater? 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8, this is greater, and this is the sign of greater, and here it will be 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Finished. This process is not a very lengthy process, it's a very simple process. You just need to see that how this question is to be done.